This is the natural spring water running in Ndoreke Ohafia called TTT, the land of peace. This is the water that was blessed, the spring that have no season. From minute to minute, time to time, all the days, it runs. The most cleanest water in this world. TTT. Very lovely, very tasty. When it comes in the morning time, it's warm. In the afternoon time, it's very, very cool, very enjoyable. God bless Ndoreke. God bless Ohafia. I love this place, TTT. The water that has been treated by God naturally.